Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to round corners of image in Photoshop. Step by step. Let's begin. First of all, open your image. Then create a new layer. Select the shape tool. Right click on your mouse. Rounded rectangle. Shape. Fill color. Radius. Example use 10 pixels or 20 pixels. 13, 14 as you wish. Press enter. Then draw a rectangle box with rounded corners. Okay, then down image layer, right click, create clipping mask and move anywhere. Zoom, press Ctrl T, hold shift, zoom, fix size, hold shift, zoom out. Click OK. Then again hold Ctrl, select two layer, press Ctrl Z, group, press Ctrl T, resize. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.